Matthews.
What's up?
Final day at the symposium. Have you had fun?
Man, I am super excited. This is the best event of the year for me, for sure. So it's a community for me. And what I love about everything, from meeting the people, from sitting in on events, listening to some of the top speakers in the industry, this has been great.
Nice, cool. What has been a highlight? Like, if you had to pick one highlight, other than me personally, you can pick me. It's fine.
There's been many, like sitting in on Jerry Rollins today, just learning about customer service and how to talk to your customers. Listen to Jim Bergman talking about evacuation. I knew evacuation, but every time you take a training, you learn something new. And that really excites me. Having the opportunity to educate others as well. I was really happy that I had the opportunity to do that again this year. So
nice, love it. Cool. All right, we're making our way through our lunch line. We're going to find out. Rick, you got something you want to say?
Sure, why not?
Okay, have you enjoyed your time here?
Yeah, it's been a great time.
Okay, all right.
Always a great time.
All right. Any highlights?
I mean, all the trainings are really good. I think you always learn something new, even when you already know a lot about that particular subject. But really, for me, the highlight is the people. You're meeting new people from all walks of life, and it's the networking at this event is invaluable. I mean, you're going to meet people that could essentially change your life. Whether it be from a technical standpoint, or just a mentor standpoint, or even a change in the career standpoint. So
this will be the place to run into 100%. A mentor. And I've already exchanged so many numbers with people in different walks of the trade since I've been here this year, and this is the third year for me. And making good contacts again, it's really
I 100% agree.
That's cool. All right, let's move to this lunch line and find some fun. Aiden,
how's it going?
How does it feel to be last in line for the food?
It feels awesome.
Well, how does it feel to be second last in line?
It feels even better now.
All right. Well, look, you're moving up in the world already. Enjoying the symposium?
I am. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. All right. This final day, so was it worth it?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Highlight anything?
No, surrounding yourself with a lot of smart people. Just kind of, I'm soaking it up like a sponge, or trying to at least.
Nice. Cool. All right. Thanks.
Yeah, no problem.
All right. Here we go. Hey, how you doing?
I'm having a ball.
Yeah, you're a long way from that food. I don't know if you've looked at this line, but how long is this going to take to get to the food?
It usually don't take very long. Usually only about 5 minutes.
5 minutes. That's not bad. So sounds like they're running a pretty tight ship here at the symposium.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Going really well. I've had a really good time. Learned a lot.
Good job, Danielle. Hey,
there.
This guy.
How are ya?
Noticed your shirt said event staff. Just want to thank you for all that you've done here to make this happen. Why don't you say in your own words how grateful you are for yourself?
I do really great. A lot. I mean, I think my best trait is my humility, for sure. I've been told that I'm the most humble person in the world, and like me telling myself that in the mirror,
Yeah.
But
it's good practice.
So, I'm really having fun at the event. Learned lots of cool things. Got to sit in lots of the talks in the commercial warehouse. If you guys watch those. But it's been a great time, and we're not even done yet. We got some good.
I thought we were done.
There's more discussions.
Oh.
Sorry, you still have to stay here.
Well, we'll get home eventually tonight. How does it feel to be the next person in line to actually get the food, but still have to wait because I'm talking to you?
Oh, it don't bother me none. I'm okay.
Does it bother anybody else that I'm just standing here talking? Okay. Have you had a great time at the symposium?
Yeah, I've had a lot of fun, actually.
Final day, we're wrapping up.
Always sad to go back type thing.
Yeah.
But, it's like that's always good. It has to come to end,
Any highlights?
As usual, Bergman, like watching him, and then the Copeland, Trevor Matthews, his breakdown on and then the best guy at all, the man, is Bert. I mean, he is famous. He is amazing. He likes to pretend he's like a silly, goofy guy, but I think he's pretty smart, and he just kind of like
these are his words.
Plays full for people's entertainment, So
Okay, well, we're asked for the line to keep moving, so we're not going to hold you guys up anymore.
What's up?
Did you enjoy the symposium?
Oh man, I can't wait to come back next year, man.
Okay, was this your first year?
Yes, sir, it was.
Wow, okay, so what would you say to someone who's thinking about coming out next year?
Just come with an open heart and be ready, man. It's gonna be a lot of note taking, a lot of information.
It's been great. Definitely hit some things that now I know I need to do my own learning afterwards. But I wouldn't have known that if I hadn't come here and listened to these guys and talking to this guy about how different refrigeration and different kinds of gauges and just wow, there's so much info. It's hard to take it all in.
How are you enjoying the symposium?
I like it.
Yeah?
Second year.
Second year, okay, all right. This guy came back. If he came back, it's probably worth it. So, yeah, what would you say to someone who's thinking about coming out and they're not really sure if it's worth it?
It is worth it. You get a lot of knowledge.
Yeah? Yeah, what's been favorite parts? Anything?
Last year, the vacuum part.
Ah, the vacuum.
This year,
Motors?
airflow.
Okay.
Learning a lot about that.
Yep, there have been several great classes on both of those things. That's awesome. Yeah. Cool, thanks for showing up. Hey, Ty.
Hey, how's it going?
I can never walk by you. What's it like to be in a symposium lunch line?
It just keeps growing.
Yeah.
Makes me more hungry.
Yeah.
But I have my goal. I'm focused on my goal.
Okay. All right. I walked by everybody and they're all talking to somebody and it looks like it's interesting conversation.
I love learning. I love all the classes, but I think the key is the people here. Look at all the people and the conversations and the connections that we make. I mean, that's invaluable.
Yeah.
That is great information, great connections. It's awesome. I love it.
Same here. Enjoy the food.
Thank you.
Hey, so now that publicly we've said that we love each other, is this going to change? Like,
We're not going to kiss.
okay, that's really all I was going to ask. But great, glad to hear that. How's the symposium been this year?
I love it. I love every year. I come every single year.
What have we done wrong here at the symposium? We need to improve next time around.
Everything's perfect.
Everything's perfect. Classic. So first year, second year, third year?
Second year.
Second year, okay. You liked it?
Yeah. I'm back.
Yeah, you are back. That makes sense. What are some highlights?
Great resources here. Good people to talk to. Good stuff to get to bounce ideas off people and learn some new things. Pick up a couple things.
Definitely been my favorite thing too, to actually talk to people and be like, some of the conversations going on when you walk around, just tap into conversations going on between super brains here. It's pretty cool.
For sure.
Yeah, cool. All right, thanks for coming. Enjoy. Symposium's been awesome. As you can see, some really cool people here and worth showing up for. And some crazy people. So.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it and got something out of it, if you wouldn't mind hitting the thumbs up button to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notifications bell to be notified when new videos come out. HVAC School is far more than a YouTube channel. You can find out more by going to hvacrschool.com, which is our website and hub for all of our content, including tech tips, videos, podcasts, and so much more. You can also subscribe to the podcast on any podcast app of your choosing. You can also join our Facebook group if you want to weigh in on the conversation yourself. Thanks again for watching.